If you want siding that actually holds up and looks sick, you gotta check out Everlast Advanced Composite Siding. So, this stuff is made from a mix of materials that don't rot, warp, or get eaten by bugs, which is huge because no one wants to deal with constant repairs. When you're picking siding, make sure it's got good resistance to moisture and sun damage. Installation is key too. Get someone who knows their way around this type of siding so it goes on smooth and tight. Plus, cleaning Everlast siding is super easy. Just hose it down or wipe it off when it gets dirty. If you care about the environment, this siding is a win because it's made with recycled materials and lasts a long time, so less waste. Color options are pretty solid too, so you can match your vibe without stressing. Also, keep an eye on the warranty and what it covers. That can save you a lot of headaches later. Don't forget to ask your installer about maintenance tips specifically for this composite siding to keep it looking fresh for years. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Everlast Advanced Composite Siding is not prepping the surface right before installation, which can cause gaps or moisture issues. Make sure the wall is clean and dry first. Another problem is hiring someone who's not familiar with composite siding, which leads to poor fitting and leaks. Always check for contractor experience with this specific material. The last one is neglecting regular cleaning and inspections. And even though this siding is low maintenance, dirt buildup can mess with its look and durability. Just schedule a quick clean every few months to avoid that. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up by connecting homeowners with local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you don't have to waste time guessing. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new jobs and grow your business without all the hassle of marketing on your own.